Hi there! On this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram followers stuck or not counting. To start, open Google Play Store. Once in Google Play Store, download the Instagram app. Once downloaded, go to Settings. Once in Settings, click on Apps. Once you are in Apps, search for Instagram. Now tap on the Instagram icon. Tap on Remove Permissions if unused. Scroll down and look for Storage. Then tap on Clear Cache on the bottom right. After clearing the cache, you can now close all your other apps. Make sure to close them, especially Instagram. Now, go and locate your Instagram app. Once you locate it, open your Instagram app. Once in the Instagram app, open your profile and then be sure to log it out. After logging out, log in your Instagram account again. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.